Welcome to the intriguing world of digital currencies. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through the highs, lows, and innovation of the cryptocurrency that started it all, Bitcoin. From its inception in the midst of a financial crisis, its growth, challenges to its current state and potential future, we'll cover it all. So buckle up and let's dive into the fascinating universe of Bitcoin. Imagine a world where physical money is obsolete. Can you envision a future where Bitcoin reigns supreme? In the heart of the financial collapse of 2009, a beacon emerged from the chaos. An unknown entity, going by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced something that would shake the foundations of economic structures worldwide. Bitcoin. This wasn't just any form of currency. This was a digital gold rush, a bold new frontier that held the promise of monetary freedom. Bitcoin was designed to eliminate the barriers set by banks and governments. No more intermediaries, no more red tape, just peer-to-peer transactions, as simple as sending a text message. This revolutionary cryptocurrency was more than just a new way to pay. It was a statement, a challenge to the traditional financial systems that had failed us. The creation of Bitcoin was indeed a groundbreaking moment, but it was just the beginning. From a novel concept to a world-renowned digital asset, Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of a rollercoaster ride. Born from the mind of an anonymous creator or creators known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first of its kind, a digital currency that promised independence from traditional banking systems. The early days of Bitcoin were marked by curiosity, skepticism, and a small but growing community of early adopters. The first real-world transaction took place in May of 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Back then, Bitcoin was worth less than a cent. If we fast forward to today, those pizzas would cost millions of dollars. As Bitcoin began to gain traction, it also started to face its fair share of challenges. Government bodies around the world grappled with how to regulate this new form of currency, often leading to legal uncertainties and market volatility. Perhaps the most significant blow to Bitcoin's reputation came with the infamous Mount Gox hack in 2014. Mount Gox, once the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, lost hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins to hackers, leading to its bankruptcy and shaking the faith of many in the security of digital currencies. Around the same time, Bitcoin found itself embroiled in controversy with the Silk Road scandal. The online black market, known for illicit trade, was primarily using Bitcoin for transactions. This association tarnished Bitcoin's image, further fueling skepticism and fear around its use. But despite these hurdles, Bitcoin proved to be a resilient force. Each challenge provided an opportunity for the community to learn, adapt, and strengthen the system. New security measures were implemented, exchanges became more rigorous, and slowly but surely, Bitcoin began to shake off its troubled past. Though plagued by numerous challenges, Bitcoin's resilience saw it weather the storm and increasingly capture the world's attention. This digital pioneer paved the way for a revolution in the way we think about and handle money, setting the stage for the ongoing evolution of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's impact on the financial landscape is undeniable, but how exactly did it change the game? Well, let's start with the fact that Bitcoin's grand entrance onto the world stage kicked open the doors to a whole new realm of possibilities. It's like a rock star making its debut, and suddenly, everyone wants to be part of the band. This is exactly what happened with the birth of altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies. Inspired by Bitcoin's success, thousands of these altcoins have emerged, each presenting their unique features and uses. From Litecoin to Ethereum, Ripple to Cardano, these altcoins are not just riding on Bitcoin's coattails, but carving out their own niches and contributing to the vibrant ecosystem of digital currencies. But Bitcoin's influence isn't confined to the sphere of cryptocurrencies. It's rippling out, impacting industries far beyond finance. Take supply chain management, for instance. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, provides a transparent, immutable ledger, making it an ideal solution for tracking goods from production to delivery. It's like having a digital breadcrumb trail that ensures accountability and trust in the system. And let's not forget about real estate. Bitcoin is starting to make its mark here too. Transactions that once took days, even weeks, can now be completed in a matter of minutes. Imagine buying a house with just a few clicks. No more lengthy bank procedures or cumbersome paperwork. It's a whole new world of efficiency and convenience. Perhaps the most profound change, however, is in how we perceive money and value transfer. Bitcoin has shown us that we don't need physical cash or a central authority to transact. We can send value across the globe, peer-to-peer, in a secure, fast, and cost-effective way. It's revolutionizing our concept of financial freedom and autonomy, challenging the traditional banking system, and paving the way for a decentralized economy. Bitcoin's influence stretches far and wide, shaping how we perceive and interact with money. So, where does Bitcoin stand now, more than a decade after its inception? Today, Bitcoin has grown from a mere concept to a significant player in the global financial landscape. It has taken its place among the world's top assets, boasting a market capitalization that rivals some of the largest corporations. Bitcoin's journey to this point, however, has been anything but smooth. From the outset, Bitcoin faced an uphill battle for acceptance. It was initially seen as a fringe idea, a novelty for tech enthusiasts. But as the years passed, it proved its mettle. More and more businesses began to accept Bitcoin as a valid payment method, from small local shops to multinational corporations. It became clear that Bitcoin was not just another fad, it was here to stay. And yet, Bitcoin's rise to prominence has also sparked a fierce debate. Is it a store of value, akin to gold, a safe haven in turbulent times? Or is it a medium of exchange, a new form of currency that facilitates transactions across borders? On one hand, Bitcoin's volatility and limited supply lend credence to the store of value argument. It has proven to be a resilient asset, often bouncing back from steep drops and showing a tendency to increase in value over time. On the other hand, its decentralized nature and the ability to make transactions without intermediaries make it an attractive medium of exchange. But perhaps the most significant development in Bitcoin's journey has been its role in the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is a financial system that operates without traditional intermediaries such as banks or insurance companies. It's built on blockchain, the same technology that underpins Bitcoin. By enabling peer-to-peer transactions, Bitcoin has paved the way for a financial revolution, one where individuals have more control over their money. Today, Bitcoin is more than a digital currency. It's a financial phenomenon. It's a testament to the power of innovation, a symbol of a new era in finance, and a beacon of what's possible when we dare to reimagine the status quo. The journey of Bitcoin has been thrilling, but what does the future hold for this digital currency? As we gaze into the crystal ball, we see a few potential scenarios for Bitcoin. One such possibility is Bitcoin taking a central role in global finance. This is not as far-fetched as it may seem. Bitcoin's decentralized nature could offer a robust alternative to traditional banking systems, especially in regions where financial infrastructure is lacking or where governments are unstable. The widespread adoption of Bitcoin is another scenario. Imagine walking into your local coffee shop and paying with Bitcoin, or perhaps receiving your salary in Bitcoin. This might sound like science fiction now, but it's a future that's within reach. However, this would require overcoming significant hurdles such as enhancing transaction speeds and lowering fees, not to mention the need for widespread education about the mechanics and security of Bitcoin. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges that Bitcoin will inevitably face. The regulatory landscape is a key one. Governments around the world are grappling with how to deal with cryptocurrencies. Some are open to it, some are cautious, and some are outright hostile. How these regulatory developments unfold could significantly impact Bitcoin's future. Technological advancements are another double-edged sword. On one hand, they could enhance Bitcoin's functionality and security, making it even more appealing to users and investors. On the other hand, they could also create new competitors. For instance, quantum computing could potentially break Bitcoin's cryptographic security, or new cryptocurrencies could emerge that offer superior features. But despite these uncertainties and challenges, one thing is clear. Bitcoin has already proven itself as a powerful tool that can democratize finance and give power back to the people. It has shown us a new way of thinking about money and value, and it has the potential to fundamentally reshape our financial system. The future of Bitcoin remains uncertain, but its potential to revolutionize our financial system is undeniable. Bitcoin's journey from a novel idea to a globally recognized digital asset is a testament to the power of innovation. From its humble beginnings, it has grown into a formidable force in the financial world. Its influence has permeated the very fabric of our economy, challenging traditional financial systems and paving the way for a new era of digital currencies. Bitcoin's growth has not been without its challenges. From regulatory hurdles to technological obstacles, Bitcoin has weathered the storm and continued to surge ahead. Its resilience, coupled with its potential, underlines its importance in the evolution of finance. Looking forward, Bitcoin's potential to shape the economic landscape is undeniable. As we move into an increasingly digital world, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could play a pivotal role in defining our financial future. Whether Bitcoin will become the currency of the future is still up for debate. But one thing is clear, it has already changed the way we think about money. From its inception as a novel idea to its present status as a globally recognized digital asset, we've come a long way with Bitcoin. It's challenged traditional financial systems, faced regulatory hurdles, overcome technological obstacles, and yet continued its relentless surge. Its resilience, potential, and undeniable influence on the economic landscape all underscore its importance in the evolution of finance. As we look ahead, the potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to shape our financial future becomes more apparent. The question of whether Bitcoin will become the currency of the future remains a topic of debate. But one thing is clear, it has already revolutionized the way we perceive money. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Bitcoin. Remember, the future of finance is digital, and Bitcoin is leading the way.